Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your tires of your Audi A1 or S1. Okay, let's start. First step, open the driver's door and have a seat. Now press the clutch pedal and switch to gear number 1. And then pull the handbrake to support your car. Now you're going to check again, job's done. Now your car is supported, but it's not enough, but more later. Now use a wedge. This wedge, place it under the opposite side of the wheels. What are you going to replace? In this case, it's a front version changing video. That means we have to put the wedge on the back side. Now extract the hub, the wheel hub. Place your hands right and left and then pull it to you. Good job, extract it. Now use a bolt across to untighten, but only a half angle of rotation, the bolts, all of the bolts. And in this case, there is a security lock. This lock needs this kind of key. This key needs an additional part. We will use a socket wrench for this, because this is easier to disassemble and assemble. The disassembling process is push the nut on top, and if you are pull or untighten the screw, you have to push the force to the inside, press the nut a little bit, and at the same time you have to rotate it left turn to untighten it. But take care, do only untighten all the bolts, included the nut with a lock, only in half rotation. This is enough. Yeah, do this smooth and gentle. Easy. Good job. Now it's tightened a little bit. That's enough. Good job. As you can see, there it comes. This is a special lock for wheels picking. This is a safer way to secure your wheels or your tires in position. So let's reassemble it, of course, because this was only information. We have only to untighten the bolts a little bit, of course. Okay, let's head up to the next step. The next step is search and locate the carjack points under your vehicle. We will need this supporting rubbers to make a better uplifting process, because these rubbers are matches nice at this place under your vehicle wedges or edges. As you can see how we are going to assemble this in the next step. Yeah, good job. Let's start. Anything is important, you have to ride with the carjack under your frame, but then you have to open the valve a little bit to bring the arm down. Now it's enough. Good. Now lift it up easily, smooth and gentle, like everything you are going to do if you're working on your car. Then check again, and if everything is matches, the carjack has to be in a 90 degrees angle to your car, and the wheels have to be in one line with the carjack. Then pump the car smooth and gentle up. Yeah, good job. Pump it up, baby. Yeah, easy going, as you can see. And take care that your car is not running away. Anything is important too. Do this wheel change only on a flat surface and not in the mountains, of course. Awful. Okay, now it's enough. Now it's time for our supporting part. This will make a second lock or a second security place it now under your car and search for a massive part like this over there. Good job. And maybe you are going to do a little bit of rubber under it for protection. Good job. Easy going, as you can see. But it has to be a massive part, really. Don't press it under a small, tiny part. This will break anything. So now let the carjack a little bit down until your supporting part is tipped down a little bit, and then you are going to remove the car or the wheel bolts. Do this in a cross way, as you can see, and of course do not forget if your car contains an tire lock, this additional part like this. This is a special lock nut, and now you can remove it. Yeah, good and easy. Now your wheels are disassembled. Good job, easy going. Now grab your tires and rotate them a little bit, and then remove it. Good job. Lay down it and have a look of the technical parts behind your tires every time if you are removing the wheels. Is anything broken? Is anything oil there at the bumpers or something else? But this looks okay. Maybe the brake has to be replaced next year. So now we are going to use a metal brush to clean a little bit of the hub. Oh yeah, clean it, baby. It's a metal brush cleaning feature. Good job. Now use a brake cleaner and a cloth to make a little clean out there. Oh, good job. Now it shines like new, as you can see. No, I'm just kidding. Now use a little bit of lubricating parts like copper paste or a little bit of fat, but do not use the fat from your kitchen, of course. You have to use this for a better reassembling and disassembling at the next time. It's only a little bit, a little tip at this moment. And now we are going to reassemble the new tire. Have a look at the tire's side. There are arrows, and these arrows are marks to the front. And if there are no arrows, it's a neutral way. And you have to look be on the top side. Anything is broken, everything is good. Now push it back in position until the bolt nuts and bolt holes are matches with the outside rim. Have a look at these beautiful rims, isn't it? Wow, aluminium style, baby. Now use a bolt cross to tighten one of the bolts, but only smooth. Don't tighten it too much. Only rotate it a little bit until it matches proper. So do this with all kind of bolts. Good job, easy going. And there's number 4. Rotate it right turn until the screw is, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 rotations inside. That's enough. And now, of course, the lock. There is a special nut. Place it in position and then use the bolt lock adapter to tighten this too. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky as you can see because of the spaces around there. Rotate it right and left, turn a little bit until it matches. And then you are going to tighten it again. And I will say it again, do this smooth and gentle because this type is fast breakable, really. You have to do this with a little bit smooth power and press it every time a little bit into the center and job's done. Good job. Easy going. And now remove the special equipment of it. This is a little bit tricky as you can see too. Okay, let's go to a second round, but take care, not too hard, only a little bit because of the hard way we will tighten later. But it has to be matched. The bolts has to be matched. Every kind of bolt. For this we have to use a special tool. Rotate it right turn and then job's done. Again, this was the second round. So good job and take care. Do tighten them every time in cross direction. That means first left, then right, then maybe left, and then the downside, and at the end it's on the upper side. That means it's a smooth and balanced way to tighten the bolts, but not too hard. Take care of this. Good job. Shake it a little bit, have a look and control everything, then push the carjack a little bit up by pumping it up, then remove the extra supporting part and let the car back on the ground again by open the valve smooth. As you can see, that's easy going. Now the car is back on the ground again. Now remove the carjack. Yeah, remove the rubber, do not forget that. And then it's time for the torch wrench. The torch wrench of your bolts are 120 Newton meter. This you have to program first at the torch wrench. Now we have to tighten then until your torch wrench is clicking or making some noise, and do this in a cross direction. As you can see, first left, then right, then left on the upper side, and then the bottom side, and then the upper side. But at the upper side, in this case, you will need the special lock, of course. So now your car wheel or your tires are tightened enough with Newton meter control. So after 1 week, tighten them again by using a torch wrench, of course, with the right Newton meter. Maybe you can do a second way until it's only control way, and then job's done. As you can see, oh, we are really nice wheel changing bros, aren't we? Yes, we are. Good job. Now extract the special nut and have a look to the supporting wedges at the back side, remove it, and then go back on the street again. Yeah, easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Good day, good life, happy soon. Yeah, godlike.